In this video, I will show you how to connect Squarespace domain to Odoo. So first things first, let's head over to our Squarespace right here and then go over right here to the products that they have. And then let's head over and then look in here for domain option. So they should be able to have in here some domains as well. You can head over and click on this get started and you can search in here for the domain name that you want to purchase. I'll head over and search for this one and click onto the search button. Now, after we have done that, it should be able to show us some search results for the domain extensions that we can use and buy. So let's just wait for this right here. Now we have this. Head over and click onto this add a cart option and then click onto this checkout option. And then it should be able to show you in here the checkout option and you first need to create an account in order to buy this. But once you have bought that domain, you can head over to Odoo right here and then just head over to your website option. And once you had head over to your website, you should be able to click onto this configuration that we have right here and click onto this domain name. Now click onto this my website is ready. And then from in there, it should be able to show you in here this. Click on this use my own domain. So if you already bought a domain from Squarespace, you can just input that right here and add a C name in here as well and click on this I confirm it's done.